Hey guys, Norma here with Sunless Beauty. Today I'm here to talk about our self-tanning products that we have. One is a ultra hydrating gradual tan extender called LUMI, and the other is our instant tanning gel called Sunless. And both products can be used on their own without a spray tan or in conjunction with a spray tan to extend the life and to really wake up a spray tan. Both products you want to use 3 days into a spray tan. So let's go over the first one. The first one is the LUMI. This is the Gradual Tan Extender. This has organic aloe, organic coconut, shea, MCT oil for you keto dieters. Really healthy for the skin, and also has an anti-aging property, as we all know about hyaluronic acid. And this is a dye-free tan extender. So this is something you would use, and you would apply it 3 days in a row, and it will gradually tan your skin. It'll moisturize you with all the yummy emollients, and this also is anti-aging, so it gives your skin firmness, bounceability, and really fills in any dry, crepey skin or wrinkles, so you can actually use this on your face and body. The way I like to use it is I take a shower in the morning, I pat dry with my towel, and then I go ahead and prime my skin with the Sunless Beauty Glow. Rub the glow into my skin, and then using the Sunless Beauty bronzer, I apply the LUMI all over. And the fun thing about the Sunless Beauty Bronze Up Mitt Kit is that it has 2 mitts. And that's pretty cool too, and I'll show you why. The kit has a mitt for your face and a mitt for your body. So since LUMI is great for face and body, you can apply it on your face and body. You can also use the smaller mitt for hand. Okay, so that is how you use a gradual tan extender. And then the other product that we have is the Celestial Body, and this is the self-tanning gel cream. And this was our original tanning product. Either brighten up your spray tan, or if you haven't had a chance to go in to see your tanner, or if you're buying this wholesale, really great way to have your clients extend the life of their tan. And this I use 3 days in as well to wake up a tan, or just on its own. You can layer this up, 1 layer for light or natural, 2 layers for medium to dark. And I do this 2 hours before I go to bed. And I use this, again, the Sunless Beauty Bronze Up Mitt Kit. Any questions about these products, you can go ahead and DM me. This one sells online retail for $29, and this one sells online retail for $39, and wholesale is available for both of these products. This retails for $12.99. This is also available for wholesale. So thank you so much for listening, and this is Norma. Peace out.